Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY disinfecting wipes. If you have one of these three things, either alcohol that is 70% or more by volume, liquor that is 120 proof or 60% alcohol by volume or more, or bleach, and you also have one of these three things, either shop towels, paper towels, or fabric, then you can make your own disinfecting wipes. Now these are the types of containers you can use for all of the methods that we're going to make wipes with. You can use an old food container like this to keep them in. You can also use one of these type containers. A baggie is great if you have to go somewhere. And you can also use a plastic grocery bag if you had to. You can just put them down in the corner of the bag and kind of tie a knot, and then you have portable disinfecting wipes. For my paper towels, I'm going to cut them all in half and then fold them again in half before I put them in the container. Cut your fabric into 6 by 6 inch squares and fold it in 4. Shop towels are by far my favorite thing to make DIY wipes out of because they act like cloth, they are cheap, and they are reusable. You can still get these, they are plentiful in Lowe's and Home Depot and also an auto parts store. For these, I'm going to cut these into 4 pieces. They're also great because they are reusable. You can use these 2 or 3 times. After you use them, you dry them out, and then once they're dry, wash them in soap and water and let them air dry before you use them again. I'm going to put these in our third type of container, which is a baggie. These are the formulations for disinfecting wipes according to the CDC. Using rubbing alcohol, it needs to be at least 70%. 70 to 80% is good. And in the baggie, I'm just going to get the cloths wet enough to where you can see moisture all over them. Like that. This is the best thing if you have baggies to take if you have to go. CDC recommendations are for a cup of bleach, and it's either a gallon or 2 of water. It's a lot. It's really diluted. But I'm going to make mine 1/3 bleach and 2/3 water. I'm going to make it in a jar because that way I can just store it and pour it whenever I need to make more wipes. I'm going to use the bleach on the white paper towels. You can also use them on the shop towels. The shop towels will not lose any color. I have just enough in here to dampen the towels, so I can close that up, close up my bleach mixture so I can use it later. If you're using bleach as your disinfectant, do not use a dark rag. You must use a white rag for that. The reason is when the bleach gets on this, it colors the bleach the color of your rag, so whatever you wipe it on will be some weird color that is not clear. So if you're using bleach, use a white rag. For the liquor, you need at least 120 proof or 60% alcohol by volume. That is the CDC recommendation. And we're going to use the liquor on the fabric rags that I made out of a t-shirt. Now you want to get them wet but not saturated because you want to be able to take them out without pulling any liquid out with them. You can also reuse these by putting them in the washer and dryer and then doing the same process we just did. You can also add a few drops of glycerin and or essential oils to make the wipes smell a little better and make them a little easier on your skin. Please remember, disinfecting wipes and hand washing is only a part of staying safe. You also need to distance yourself socially and follow all of the recommendations from your city and state governments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this video. Thank you.